Imagine the most destructive weapon ever created by humankind. Now multiply that power by billions. Even then, you wouldn't come close to the power of a magnetar. These objects are so extreme that if a human being got too close, their own atoms would cease to exist as we know them. And the scariest part? They exist right now, scattered throughout our galaxy. Today, you'll learn about the most violent objects ever discovered by humankind. It all begins with the death of a giant star. When a star much more massive than the Sun runs out of fuel, its core collapses in a matter of seconds. Gravity compresses the matter so extremely that protons and electrons fuse, forming neutrons. The result is a neutron star. Imagine concentrating more mass than the entire Sun into a sphere just about 20 kilometers in diameter. A single sugar cube made of this material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. But some neutron stars are born different. During the collapse, they spin so fast that they create the most intense magnetic field in the known universe. These stars have a special name: Magnetars. Earth's magnetic field is relatively weak. A magnetar has a magnetic field billions of times more powerful. To understand the scale of this phenomenon, imagine an object capable of warping the very structure of atoms. If you were near a magnetar, you wouldn't be burned. You wouldn't be crushed. The electrons in your atoms would be stripped away, and the matter of your body would cease to exist as we know it. Even thousands of kilometers away, the effects would be devastating. We're talking about forces that defy human imagination. But there's something even more terrifying: the explosions produced by these cosmic monsters. On the 27th of December 2004, astronomers recorded one of the most violent events ever observed. A magnetar named SGR 1806-20 released a colossal explosion. The source was located approximately 50,000 light-years from Earth. Even at that absurd distance, the radiation was so intense that it interfered with our planet's atmosphere. In just a fraction of a second, the magnetar released more energy than the Sun produces in hundreds of thousands of years. If this object were relatively close to Earth, the effects could be catastrophic for all life on the planet. It was a frightening reminder that the universe harbors forces far beyond anything we can control. At this very moment, somewhere in the Milky Way, dozens of magnetars continue to exist, silent, almost invisible, accumulating energy for decades or centuries. And when they finally release that energy, they produce explosions capable of traversing the entire galaxy. The universe is much bigger, stranger, and more dangerous than we imagine, and magnetars are proof of that. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to explore the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. See you in the next episode.